Okay, here we go. Another video. Got a few more packages in today, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this over with. Okay. I wonder if this is one of those nameplates, or like little, whatever you call those things. I bet you. Oh, yep. So this is for the fording vent deal down there. Yeah, that's nice. Nice metal. I wonder if this is actually a factory. Yeah, I don't know. This might be just an actual factory deal. Yeah, oh, that's nice. So that's one of the things that's odd about the Humvee is they have the parking brake lever, and if they would have just made it like a ½ inch shorter, it wouldn't hit where this plate and stuff is. Like I don't know, as much awesome stuff is involved with the Humvee and the design features and the brain power that went into it. Yeah, there's a couple things that you're like, what the hell were they thinking? So like, that right there is one, and that's just a small one. The biggest one, to me, is that the beam on the B-pillar. And like they literally just made this vehicle to fit people that are under 6 foot tall. And that's very, very unfortunate. I've never been in an H1, so, but I know those come off the same assembly line. I'm not sure how they did things with that. I'm actually curious to see. But anyways. Oh, this came quick. I just barely ordered this like a day or so ago. That came from Pennsylvania too. Huh. Wow, that was actually very fast. Yeah, that's seems pretty legit. I mean, that's nice and thick. Seems pretty strong. As I do that, watch it break. That would really suck. Yeah, no, that's cool, man. And that's actually not really, that's not painted. That's just the color of the plastic. Well, it is different than the back. Whatever. It's actually that's nice, man. Shout out to Mac Motors on eBay. Put their card up here. I'm down for promoting people when they do good things and have good products and all that. The middle of this thing, all right, I'm assuming you guys can see that pretty good there. My little holder that holds the phone, it kind of sucks because it's literally like right in the middle of the screen. Yeah, that's cool. Like I'm actually very, very happy with that. You know, and the price was really good too. I think it was like $55 for that. I'm down with that price. All right, so okay, I guess this is one of these in the end. And I don't. You guys who people that have watched this channel regularly, I'm 90% of the time I'm just as surprised as what's in the boxes as you guys are, because I've had to order so much stuff. Things get lost in the mix and I don't really remember. Oh, nice. What's ordered from where, when it's supposed to come in. So, like, I literally had no clue what this was in here. But that is the turbo cover. Mine was missing that, and that sucked. This thing, I got this thing for a really darn good price. As long as this thing fits on there good enough, man, I don't care if something like this is an actual factory product or not. You know, I mean, it's double walled. Oh yeah, that's kind of unfortunate. Maybe a little bit of quality control there. Yeah, so I guess, yeah, not quite so factory there on that, because if it was, that rivet would have, I guess it, oh yeah, it pulled, I don't know. Maybe that's something I can get some pliers and pinch that together. I think that's how that works. I think that's just pinched together, so I think I can just pinch it back. But yeah, I mean, this thing is, it's pretty nice. And once again, I think I might have paid like $65 for this. Yeah, I'm cool with that price. So there we go. There's my 3 items for this video. That's usually kind of what it winds up being. And yeah, this video is a little shorter than normal. About 7 minutes and 20 seconds. It would be nice if I go over the 8-minute mark. So, with that being said, wasn't even sure if I was going to even talk about this, but you know, this just kind of goes in the accessory department. Yeah, this box is right out in the garage, so I just grabbed it really quick. I got this from Costco. Ion Bright Max. The light thing up here has probably, I don't know, 5 or 6 colors, or however many colors it is that it changes. And it's like a 360-degree sound. And you know what? The sound quality on this thing is pretty good. It's not really waterproof, but it's, you know, water resistant, so it can get wet, but it's not like you can throw it in a pool. The battery life, it says 10-hour battery life. I'm thinking it's not that, because I don't even have this thing very loud. I just have it in the Humvee as I'm working on it, and it'll usually go dead before I'm done working. Although I kind of tend to lose track and not really sure how long I'm out there for. I kind of don't, realistically, probably more like 8 hours or so. I should probably time it and find out for sure. But you know what? The sound quality is really good. If you're out in the mountains, just relaxing, then you know what? Boom, you just pull this thing out. You can set it down next to your chairs or whatever. And it'll Bluetooth to my computer in the vehicle, or obviously it'll Bluetooth to whatever you have. But I have my whole system that I'm gonna have in the vehicle, plus also my phone, and it just has a little leather handle that's nice, and you just set it down wherever you want, and you're good to go. And out in that setting, out in nature, like you're not trying to fill the whole area with a bunch of loud ass music. You just want something nice and chill, like in the background, that has good sound quality, and this does that. It was normally $100 at Costco, but they had like an instant $30 off, so it was like $70. I'm like, all right, cool, I'll get it. I can always return it, but like I said, it'd be nicer if the battery lasted longer for the size of this. I would think it probably, you know, you could have it last longer, but it is what it is, and it was only 70 bucks. And I dig it, so I'm sure I'll be keeping it. There was something else too, but I forget now, so that's all right. And now we've done plenty long enough video, and I will catch you guys next time.